Hello, my name is Ashley Faulkner and I am your teacher for Python 2/honors. And in this class you're going to be working towards a credential called the Certified Associate in Python Programming Credential. It is offered through the Python Institute. The things that we will go over in this class, we're going to be using the Cisco Netacad, which is where we're going to find all of our curriculum. And through that, when you complete the course, you should be eligible for a discount on the certification. The things that you will need for this class is you will need internet and you will need a computer. At this time, Chromebooks will not work, but they are working on it. We don't know when it will be fixed so that it'll work with the Netacad. But at this time, Chromebooks will not work. So you will need a device, a computer, and you will need internet for Python 2. I am always available through email and phone. Both of those will be listed in my course. And I look forward to teaching each one of you and wish we could be face-to-face again. Until then, I will see you later. Bye.